Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to either enable or disable full screen optimizations on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically a Windows features designed to improve your PC's performance during gaming sessions, as well as run the game on a borderless full screen, and it allows the operating system to optimize performance of games and apps when they are running in full screen mode to prioritizations of CPU and GPU resources for particular process. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for apps ay kailangan lang natin mag-search na kahit anong program. Okay, so for example, search lang natin dito yung Chrome. So type mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung open file locations. Click mo lang yan. So dito sa open file locations, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Google Chrome. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung properties. So dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung compatibility. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa compatibility and dito lang sa settings ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung disable full screen optimization. So kailangan mo lang i-check tong box and then i-click mo lang dito yung apply and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, sa click mo lang yan, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So dito sa registry editors, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK current user. So double click ka lang, and next step, so dito sa HK current user, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system folder. Okay, dito siya. So dito kailangan mo ulit mag double click, and dito sa kanyang system, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung game config store folder. Okay, so dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung new, and then select mo lang dito yung key, and then select mo lang dito yung DWORD 32-bit value. So dito sa new value ay kailangan lang natin yan i-rename. So lagyan lang tayo ng game DBR underscore DSE and behavior. Ayan. So ito yung kailangan natin i-rename na game DBR, so big letter yung DBR, and then underscore DSA, so big letter, and then behavior, and then press mo lang yung enter. Once na press mo lang yung enter, and then kailangan mo lang mag double click, and then dito sa kanyang edit DWORD 32-bit value, so ito kanyang value dito na 0 ay change natin yan into number 2, and then select mo lang dito yung kanyang base na hexadecimal, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito ay close lang natin, and then dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable or disable full screen optimizations on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.